Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best metal detectors in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level metal detector to start your new hobby, or a more advanced option for those that take it more seriously with professional-level settings, features, and 35 frequencies, I'll have the product for you. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 metal detector. This is our best budget metal detector. Getting into treasure hunting is easy thanks to the Bounty Hunter metal detector, which can be picked up for around $100. It comes with simple-to-use settings so that you can get adventuring quickly. It's light, easy to use, and is the perfect companion for beginners or those looking for an inexpensive metal detector. At just 3.7 pounds, the Tracker 4 is an easy-to-carry device that's still built to withstand the occasional accidental drop. It's even more comfortable to carry thanks to its padded armrest and cushioned hand grip. While comfortable to use, it's also easy to operate. A simplistic interface allows you to adjust the sensitivity and item discrimination with just simple knob controls, and I really like that switching between discrimination, all metal, and two-tone modes is done with just the flip of a toggle. The Tracker 4 can help you find iron relics, coins, household items, and precious metals during your hunts thanks to its 8-inch coil. This coil is capable of working when completely submerged, but only in shallow water, so looking for objects along beach shores is perfect. Coin-sized targets can be detected at depths of about 6 inches, while larger targets can be detected up to 2 feet deep. The two-tone mode allows you to bypass many of the uninspiring metal finds so that you can focus on the real treasures out there. Making best use of this feature is done with headphones so that you can really focus on what the detector is pointing out. A 1/4-inch headphone jack is present on the main interface, so getting set up is quick and easy. The Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 is a fantastic budget buy if you're looking to start metal detecting. A quick and simple setup combined with an easy-to-carry design and simple controls means you'll be digging up great finds in no time. The 4th product on our list is the Fisher F22. This is our best entry-level metal detector. For around $220, the Fisher F22 sits at the top of its class with 4 modes of operation, a rugged weatherproof design, and controls that put you in control of your searches. With 25 to 30 hours of battery life, you'll be up and running for a long time. This battery life is partnered with a design that can handle the elements, keeping you searching regardless of the weather. A cushioned handle and armrest contribute to an easy-to-carry device that weighs just 3 pounds. A narrow 9-inch search coil is included with purchase that provides more precise readings thanks to its smaller size, but there are also 7-inch and 11-inch coils that are available to help you search the way you want. The Fisher comes with personalized searches including jewelry, coin, and artifact modes as presets with a 4th custom mode available. Using adjustable iron audio helps to dampen the sounds of standard iron items so that clarity can be increased on your desired targets. The inclusion of a large 2-digit screen provides easy-to-view information, and a non-volatile memory saves your settings so your next hunt is good to go from the moment you turn the F22 on. The pinpoint, discrimination, sensitivity, and notch features provide improved accuracy, helping your searches be as efficient as possible. Depth and accuracy readings combine for informed decisions while out hunting, and I love that the Fisher F22 can do all of this, even with the search coil submerged. 4 different audio tones give feedback while the device is in use, so that you have all the details before you start digging. Entering a new hobby can be daunting, but the entry-level Fisher F22 reduces the intimidation factor thanks to its easy-to-operate design and powerful detection. And with customizable settings, there's room to learn and grow alongside this weatherproof, all-purpose metal detector. The 3rd product on our list is the Garrett AT Pro. This is a great metal detector for the money. The Garrett AT Pro provides great value, bundling exceptional waterproof capabilities, headphones, and powerful performance into a $550 package that is ideal for anyone looking to dive deeper into the world of metal detection. My favorite part of this detector is the proportional audio feature that discerns between nearby items with proportional sounds so that you have a better idea of the depth and size of individual targets. Without this feature, items close to one another might register as one larger item instead. The AT Pro knows that this isn't always the best way to use a detector, so 3 other standard audio modes are included to provide simpler feedback. Using the included headphones with the AT Pro lets you have the best audio experience possible while hunting, as other sounds are blocked out in favor of your searching cues. Other comfort and ease of use features like Fast Track Ground Balance, which quickly balances the detector in mineralized soil conditions, 40 levels of iron discrimination, digital target ID that shows target conductivity, and electronic pinpointing combine to produce an impressive product. The 8.5 by 11-inch search coil that's included lets you leverage the detector's 6 search modes to identify targets over a wide area, making covering a large area an easier job. The AT Pro helps you search even water-covered areas as it's waterproof up to 10 feet in both fresh and salt water. At 3 pounds, it's light enough to use for long periods of time and has sufficient battery life to get you through plenty of hunts. The AT Pro is prepared for all kinds of terrains thanks to its durable design and includes fast recovery speed, letting you continue hunting no matter where your adventures take you. Pro features alongside this level of power make the Garrett AT Pro among the best buys in its class for the money. The second product on our list is the Minelab Equinox 800. This is our best metal detector for intermediate hunters. Stepping your metal detecting game up to another level is easy with the Minelab Equinox 800 that boasts insane levels of treasure-seeking intelligence. At around $950, you'll be hard-pressed to beat this detector's prowess. While the battery life on this machine is a little lower than we've seen from some others at 12 hours, it's capable of lasting through a day's worth of adventuring, and you'll likely be spending less time per hunt thanks to the multi-EQ technology that Minelab has put together. Multi-EQ lets the Equinox 800 leverage the seeking capabilities of multiple frequencies at once so that you're able to uncover all kinds of treasure no matter the soil conditions. With park, field, beach, and gold detection modes available, this detector comes equipped with all of the necessary tools to discover interesting finds no matter where you are, and with 10 feet of waterproof usability, you can even take it swimming. Fast and accurate target IDs are delivered to the LCD interface so that you can focus on finding treasure while avoiding trash. What really separates the Equinox 800 apart from the previous detectors is its customizable settings that best use the intelligence of this detector. Each of the park, field, beach, and gold detection modes has 2 custom search profiles so that your favorite settings are available in moments, keeping you hunting instead of fiddling with settings. My favorite part of this detector is its ability to combine all of the features and intelligence to provide intuitive results fast. It's got all of the bells and whistles that you expect from a premium metal detector, and it's combined into a build that's durable but weighs in under 3 pounds, making the Minelab detector such a good buy. If you're getting more serious about your metal detecting, then there aren't too many detectors better than the Minelab Equinox 800. The multi-IQ technology, 8 savable search settings, and intuitive results work wonders for treasure hunters that want to take hunting up a notch or two. The first product on our list is the XPDEUS. This is our best overall metal detector. The XPDEUS is a great feat of engineering and I think is the best overall metal detector for around $1,300. It's entirely wireless and boasts several expert-level functionalities geared towards those that are a little more serious on their hunts. The build and design of the XPDEUS is completely different from the previous detectors we've looked at, as it features no wires at all and can be folded to an easily packable size quickly. This is on top of it being lightweight and having cushioned handling components that contribute to some referring to this as the Rolls-Royce of metal detectors. It comes with an 11-inch waterproof search coil that will help you with all of your finds thanks to the 35 frequencies that it can produce. These frequencies are partnered alongside audio response, iron level, multi-tone, notch, discrimination, ground balance, motion, and 4 non-motion modes. All of these expert-level settings can be adjusted, and 8 can be saved via the headphones that come with the detector for future use. With up to 27 hours of battery life available, those saved settings can be used for hours of searching on a single charge. I think it's great that the battery lasts this long because it means the extra power and sensitivity of the XPDEUS is what you can focus on. The large variety of frequencies mentioned earlier are able to detect even thin or alloyed treasures alongside your typical finds, but at greater depths and with more precision. The expert-level adjustments that you can make with this metal detector are truly impressive, and you should be able to continue making these adjustments for a long time. XP frequently updates its software and allows owners to download these updates for free, for life. With the future-proofing, available features, and excellent design, I think this makes the XPDEUS the best metal detector available and worth the investment. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.